For the sound and symbol matching Tamil cards, we have some pictures and some letters. So sort them out first. If you have two of these in your kit, use both. But if you have only one, I'll show you what to do if you have only one also. So you have to take the picture cards and shuffle them. You take a card and see what it is, and you place it near the letter card that is the beginning sound of the word. So on, unjal, e, like that you continue. So if you have more than one of the same sound, like here, see ad, just place it, keep placing it nearby. If you have a separate letter card for it, match it. Otherwise, keep arranging it like this.